Hi everyone, and thanks for joining us. So we're here to talk about the smart connected TM6 and all the incredible things you can do in the kitchen.
What are we looking at today, Bianca?
Today we're looking at a new feature, and that's a higher temperature function, which is only available through guided cooking.
Wow, okay.
So what that allows you to do is really intensify the flavours. So you can do things like browning meat and browning onion.
That sounds awesome. So that's really going to expand my diversity in my cooking as well.
Yeah.
Does that mean that things like my casseroles, my stews will become more intensified in flavour?
Yeah, it does. It really picks up the flavour using that high temperature.
Fantastic.
And the other great thing it allows you to do is sugar work. So you can do things like caramels, toffees, and something that I've created today, which is honeycomb.
That looks brilliant. I think my kids would love that. And I think what that does is it also helps people to try things that they may not have ever tried before, creating things from scratch.
Yeah, definitely having that high temperature function allows you to do new things such as honeycomb. So that's just one of the new features of the TM6. So thanks so much for joining us. And Helen, I think we need to try some of that honeycomb.
Yes, I will definitely be trying some of that. Oh my God, yum.
Really good.